1, 2, I'm gonna start this now. I would like to show you around my room a little bit. As you can see, I've got a lot of instruments and a well presented shrine of St. Disney. This is Alan Menken. He is a hero of mine. He is a composer and songwriter for Disney since the late 80s, and he's continued to be very prominent. He's amazing. He wrote a lot of the music for the Renaissance era of Disney, i.e. Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, Pocahontas, Hunchback of Notre Dame, and so on. Very creepy toy I made of Flounder from the Little Mermaid. Postcard sets. Got a book on Destino, which was a collaboration that was partially finished and later finished by the team between Salvador Dali and Walt Disney. These are some archive books that I absolutely love as a series. Design, story, animation, and background in the background. Cats peed on it, of course. They pee on all the things that I care about. This is a gift from a friend of mine, Lena. She is just the best. Here's where I do video editing. I use this microphone, these microphones sometimes, and I use Adobe Premiere Pro. Totoro. I can't seem to give these two away. They're beautiful. So that is my studio / bedroom. I'm not exactly the kind of fanatic collector that I should be as a Disney fan, but I collect it all in my mind. Hope your curiosity was quenched, and hope that gives you a bit of an insight into what I am doing in this space. And there's more content coming up very soon, just the beginning of a new era of the Disney Honesty.